What is good, Ape Nation? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be talking about the one and only AMC stock and give you guys my price prediction for where I see it going into the earnings, which is tomorrow. That makes me very excited. Now, before I give any price predictions and do any technical analysis, I do have to mention some very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner, so please don't take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Ape community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500 if you simply sign up and deposit $100 with my link down below. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So looking at AMC, we're up over 6.8% for the day. We saw quite a bit of volatility, but we were looking very strong. So let's look at the one-day chart first. You guys can see this high volatility as we ran up to 1934. We dropped after that and traded a little bit sideways, but then we did end up closing a little bit on the upward trend like this. We almost closed at 19, so that's a pretty good sign for AMC. Now, where do I see this thing going forward into earnings? So after earnings, guys, one of the things you're going to notice is the fact that there are lots of shares available to borrow right now. It does seem like the hedge funds are going to try to keep it down, but it looks like they're losing the edge because AMC is seeing higher highs and higher lows. We did dip a little bit over the last few days because of the Ukraine situation and also other factors involving that, but then we started running up and it does look like we're gaining lots of strength. So remember, guys, AMC closed above max pain for one of the first times in so many weeks. That's a very bullish sign. We also got a buy signal from the super trend, and we are trading above the exponential moving averages. Once again, it's looking very strong. Let's look at other indicators real quick before I give any predictions. So right now, the RSI is currently trading at 58.2, looking pretty darn bullish, showing a big move to the upside, which is really good. Now, another thing is we do have this flip from the DMI, the upper and lower, or I'm sorry, the positive and negative lines. That's an indicator that we are going to see high volatility. Right now, it's not looking perfect right now, but it's looking a little bit better because we are seeing a spread forming right here. That's showing that we do have some very good bullish momentum. It's not perfectly strong just yet. Another thing is right here we have a flip from the MACD and the 9-day moving average that's showing lots of green histograms and lots of bullish momentum. So right now it's looking pretty darn strong, guys. It's looking very bullish in my opinion, and I can't wait for earnings. So I anticipate that going into earnings, AMC is going to run up. We're going to have some resistance at 20. We're going to have even more resistance at around, let me adjust this to 20. I believe it's 2045, which is our next key level of resistance. I think after the days after earnings, we're easily going to break past each and every one of those. I also predict that, and this is where I believe the weighted moving average was showing right here around 27.45, I think it was, around the $27 range. We have even more resistance. I think we're going to be testing that relatively soon. So I see us going that high, guys. I think the bulls have the edge here, and I do see AMC gaining lots of FOMO because I think Adam Aaron's going to announce some huge things. I think the institutions are getting exhausted at shorting this thing and trying to keep it down. I think there's going to be lots of FOMO. There's so many eyes on it, and it's really going to see a good run in the next upcoming days/weeks. Once again, making me very, very bullish. Now, I'm not saying we're going to stop at 27. I'm just letting you know that before we get to 40, we have to get to 20, the 20s first, right? And because of that, I want to talk about the key levels of resistance, which I think we're going to break past each of these before we start to even run to the 30s relatively soon. So that's my prediction, guys. I'm very bullish for AMC. I have not lost any faith whatsoever. I too am an ape that's buying and holding shares, and I'm very, very excited. That's what I have for this one. I thank you all for listening. Remember, guys, this thing has insane potential, and this is just the beginning. I thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. AMC to the moon, and peace out.